Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are using our transfer, an oven mitt gotten at the Dollar Tree, and our Chalkology ink to make a quick and simple gift. So first things first is I gotta cut the part of the transfer I'm going to use. Now I'm going to peel off the transfer, getting my fuzzing cloth ready. But actually for this project, we don't need the fuzzing cloth because we're putting it on a cloth-like material. So it doesn't need to be fuzzed. Since we are using ink for this project, you just want to make sure you place the transfers exactly where you want it. I wasn't too happy with the end result of the placement of the transfers. I would have done it a little bit different, but this just was for the video and for me to get practice using these mitts. I am placing the cardboard in between the slit of this oven mitt. You're going to see why towards the end of the video. So I'm just making sure the transfer is nice and smooth, and let's get to inking. As you know, with our paste, we want our paste to be dry when we complete the project, but especially with ink. If the ink isn't dry completely, when you heat set it, it'll smear, it'll bleed, it won't have the same effect that you want. If your project is still tacky, then you're going to want to wait either until it's completely dry. Some people wait overnight, other people wait a couple of days. Just make sure it's dry so when you heat set it, it's good to go. As I'm waiting for my press to heat up, I am going to get a sheet of parchment paper to protect the project from the heat. If you're using a heat press or an easy press, you'll want to do it for about 20 seconds. For this project, I'm not too sure how you would use a heat press, so please don't take my word for anything. I will say if you're using a regular handheld iron, that will take longer, probably about 2 minutes. You want to make sure it's pressed, but do it in light strokes to make sure that you don't burn your actual project. In the beginning of the video, I told you to put a cardboard between the slit, and this is why. Look at the ink does bleed. So you have to be careful when you're inking projects because it will bleed over, and there's the final project. I'm just going to add some brownie mix and a stirring spatula, and I'm placing it in here. And this is just a nice, simple gift you can give to a teacher, a neighbor, a housewarming gift, just something special.